Ever wonder if life-changing health hacks have been hiding right under your nose? Tips so simple, so effective, that once you hear them, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. Welcome to today's video, where we uncover hidden health tips that are often overlooked, but can truly transform your life. Imagine waking up tomorrow full of energy, ready to conquer the day. Sounds good, right? But what if I told you that achieving that isn't as hard as it seems? Stick around as we explore practical, science-backed tips and tricks that can help you unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's dive right in. Let's start with something we all do, but barely think about. Breathing. The way you breathe can affect everything, from your energy levels to your overall health. Shallow breathing, particularly from the chest, deprives your body of oxygen and can leave you feeling exhausted. Here's the tip. Try diaphragmatic breathing, or breathing from your belly. Place one hand on your stomach and one on your chest. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your stomach rise while keeping your chest still. Exhale slowly. Do this for just 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice more calm and control and less fatigue. It's like pressing a reset button for your mind and body. Speaking of resets, your first energy boost tip starts with sunlight. Did you know that stepping outside for 5-10 minutes of morning sun boosts your mood and regulates your sleep patterns? It encourages your body to produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which later converts into melatonin for better sleep. And don't forget about hydration, the simplest energy hack of all. After all, you lose fluids while you sleep. Drinking a tall glass of water when you wake up not only refreshes you, but also kickstarts your metabolism for the day ahead. It's like giving your body a wake-up call. Stress is a major health disruptor, but here's something hardly anyone will tell you: grounding or earthing. It's as simple as walking barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. Sounds strange? Science shows it works. Grounding reduces inflammation by allowing your body to absorb the Earth's natural electrons. Even 5 minutes can calm your nervous system. Here's another underused tip. Contrast showers. Alternate between warm and cool temperatures in your shower. It's not as scary as it sounds. The warm water relaxes your muscles, while the cool water reduces cortisol, aka the stress hormone. It's like giving your body a mini spa day. And let's not skip over your senses. Scents, for example, can offer quick stress relief. Keep essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus handy. A quick sniff or a few drops in a diffuser can work wonders for calming your mind during crazy days. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of breathing breaks. Busy days can pile up stress without you realizing it. Set reminders throughout the day to pause and try deep breathing for 5 slow, mindful breaths. It's a mini meditation session that takes seconds but helps you recharge. Sleep is the backbone of good health, but we all know how elusive quality sleep can be. Here's a tip so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. Keep a glass of water by your bed. Why? Because waking up even slightly dehydrated can leave you groggy. Taking a few sips first thing in the morning can revive you instantly. Another overlooked factor is air quality. Stuffy rooms can affect your sleep without you knowing it. Introduce air-purifying houseplants to your bedroom, such as snake plants or peace lilies. They're low maintenance and can help improve oxygen flow while you sleep. At night, give your body a chance to wind down naturally. Ditch screens an hour before bed. Yes, that means no phones, laptops, or TVs. Replace that time with dim lighting and calming activities like reading or journaling. Want one more game-changing tip? Create a gratitude habit. Before you drift off to sleep, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. It's not just good for your mood, it also primes your brain for positive thinking, ensuring better quality rest. Let's move on to food. Did anyone ever tell you that how you eat is just as important as what you eat? Start by slowing down. Chewing your food thoroughly improves digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Plus, it prevents overeating by giving your brain time to register fullness. Here's another strange but effective tip. Avoid drinking water during meals. Drink it before your meal instead. Why? Consuming water while you eat dilutes stomach acids needed to break down food. Drinking before you eat helps you stay hydrated without disrupting digestion. Speaking of digestion, don't forget bitter foods. Things like kale, arugula, or dandelion greens are incredible for boosting your appetite regulation and detoxifying your liver. Not a fan of bitter tastes? Pair them with something sweet like citrus and you won't even notice. For snacks, stick to options that are healthy but satisfying. Frozen grapes, raw nuts, or roasted chickpeas can crush hunger pangs without loading up on unnecessary calories. These little swaps can make a big difference over time. Movement is essential, but you don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. Start with micro-movement breaks. If you're sitting for long hours, stand up and stretch at least once every 30 minutes. This prevents stiffness and improves circulation. Another simple practice: take the stairs. It's such an easy way to incorporate strength building into your routine without committing extra time. Here's a golden rule. Spend 5 minutes stretching in the morning and before bed. These quick routines can ease tension, improve flexibility, and even enhance your posture over time. If you work at a desk, try desk yoga. A couple of seated stretches like shoulder rolls or forward folds can combat the effects of prolonged sitting and give you that much-needed mental clarity throughout the day. After meals, don't just sit around. A short walk, even 100 steps, can improve digestion and stabilize your blood sugar levels. Plus, it's a great way to build movement into your routine without feeling like a chore. Let's take a quick pause to recap the wealth of insights you just absorbed. Breathing habits that energize. The healing power of morning sunlight and hydration. Stress busting through grounding, showers, and essential oils. Small, actionable changes that transform your sleep. Nutritional tweaks for better digestion and weight management. Easy movement habits for a healthier body. Now, you might be thinking, these tips seem so small. Do they really work? The beauty lies in their simplicity. Each one of these small changes, when practiced consistently, can add up to huge improvements in your overall health and wellness. It's all about starting small and staying consistent. Nobody needs a complete life overhaul overnight. Choose 1 or 2 of these tips to start with, and watch how your body, mind, and mood begin to shift in just days or weeks. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your hidden health tip that you swear by, but feel nobody ever mentions? Drop it down in the comments. We'd love to learn from you. Let's create a community of health enthusiasts who inspire each other to live better, one hidden tip at a time. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips too. And if you're hungry for more health hacks, hit the subscribe button because we've got even more fascinating wellness secrets coming your way. Until next time, remember, your health is in your hands. Small steps lead to big results. Start today and thank yourself tomorrow.